Hello viewers, what's up? It's been a while since we made a video like this. As you have known, Bdthemes has come quite far on its way due to your tremendous support and combining the effort of its expert team. We have been designing and delivering products according to your needs. Thanks for the all type supports you have shown towards our most popular products, the Element Pack and the Prime Slider. This time we have another item on launch very soon. It's you who have been providing us with information and advices about what to do next. Based on the demand of our precious supporters, we made the ultimate Post Kit plugin. This new plugin will unlock a new kind of experience. You can change the dimension of blogging, tech posting, general info websites into much more dynamic ones. That's right, the ultimate Post Kit plugin contains top quality widget for displaying any type of posts in a way you couldn't achieve before. There are currently 15 widgets on the first version. Assuming the worth of your blogs and posts, we made what will boost the user experience in a new level as well as make things easier for you. 7 of them are grids, another 7 are carousels, and 1 is list style. Let's take a deep look on the first item, the Alex Grid widget. This thing gives you a modernized layout having a snapped little box on top of the post image. There are 3 different layout styles included. Each one gives you unique looks as well as content delivery styles. Let's go with the first style. Increase the column gap from the layout section. You can set image height for both primary and secondary post blocks. Set the image size to full for preserving HD quality images. And last, the content position. From query, you can change the number of posts on the display. The default is 5. The more you go, the layout style will repeat itself. You can select specific category, tags, and formats. On the Additional tab, you'll get a bunch of switches to turn on or off title, category, author, date, and read more button. Our next item is Hazel Carousel. This one has a compact post delivery style which unfolds deep info upon hover. Now from the layout section, change the column number into 2. It also has 3 content style. Select any style you like and set the content position to bottom left. By query, you can increase or decrease the number of posts in Carousel. Other than that, you can select category, tags, and formats. The Additional tab has switches against specific items on display. For navigation, there are 6 styles variable. Let's go with arrows and fraction. Arrow has more than 20 icon styles ready to deploy. Lastly, the carousel settings lets you adjust the animation effect on both carousel and cover flow. Our last item is the Herald List widget. This one is the most popular post format used in named blog-based websites. It gives a glimpse of the whole content with its appealing delivery style. It also has a layout, query, and additional option tabs. You can, however, figure it out easily. Until then, stay safe, get yourself a mask. Thanks for watching.